Hi, I'm Damien from Martins, and today I'm going to show you the TYM T395. This tractor has a rear and mid PTO, a 36 horsepower Yanmar engine with a choice of turf, industrial or agricultural tyres. At the rear, your fuel tank is located with one double acting remote and a category 1 lift arms and hitch. This tractor is manufactured in South Korea and comes loader ready. As we enter the cab, some of the features include 4-wheel drive, differential lock, seat adjustment, your PTO with rear and mid, high, medium and low, and controls for your rear remotes, and loader handle. This tractor is radio and air conditioning ready. The TYM T395.